आपली स्पीड माहित आहे.
है ना इतनी बाबू भाई.
Recording in progress.
Yep. Good morning, everyone. So last session, we created one end-to-end application with the login and register. So we are able to communicate with backend database, get the data from the database, and we are connecting with the data. Next, important after designing that interface, we have to create one more for CRUD operations. That means all CRUD operations should work. So here in this project, this is the page we created, and to test this every time, compulsory first you have to start API. After starting API, you can run the files, right? Now we will give another one. We will design a page for handling all the CRUD operations. That means this is yesterday was user can watch videos, and to watch videos, user can log in, and to log in, first he need to register. That process is working fine. We designed it. Now the second one is admin can log in and he can modify the details. Admin can log in and modify the details. So we have to create another API request here. What should happen is admin login and manage videos. This is what we need to implement. Admin login means what? We will provide admin user ID password to him. He will log in with it and he can manage the videos. Videos means editing the videos. Editing the videos means the titles, their description, their views, links, everything we can modify. So here, what are the API methods we need? API methods, we need a get. This should be admin. This is get all admin users. We can get all the admin users by using this method. Another one, we need get. This is videos. It will get all videos. We will have post. So this is add video. This will insert a new video. Put. This is update video. And it will update video details. And delete. This is delete video. This is nothing but delete video from database. These are all the actions we need to design. So for admin, we have to create a page. What admin can do? Admin can log in and he can watch what all the videos are available. He can edit any video. He can delete video and he can add new videos. These all functionalities we have to maintain. Let's see how. This is actually CRUD operations, all type of CRUD operations. So here we want all videos. In order to edit any video, we want specific video details. That means we can open one video related details and we can modify. So if you want to modify any video related details, you must able to get that video. How we can get any specific video related details? How we can access specific video related details? How we can do that? To access specific video related details, what we can do? To access specific video details, we need to create another get like videos/1. What this is going to do is, so return specific video details. That means at a time user can watch one details. Every video is accessed by using what? Every video is accessed by using video ID. By using the video ID, we can access, right? So let's see how we can design this. So first thing is, I will create a separate. I will create a separate API now. In server, we will write a new file and that new file contains any name. I will give as videos API.js. Videos API.js. Okay. In this videos API.js, we have to create all these methods. To create all these methods, they have to communicate with the database. Then we need here where we need Mongo client. is equal to require MongoDB. In MongoDB, Mongo client. Next, we need express. So require what? Express. Next, we need course. Require course. Okay. Now we need another connection string. Connection string is MongoDB : /127001 : some 27017. That is Mongo connection string. Now we need to use var app is equal to express. We have to use that express. App dot use course. It should use course. Another app dot use express dot URL encoded extended to true. And another one app dot use express dot JSON. This is required for converting data into JSON. Whatever incoming data comes, it is converted into JSON. Okay. Next, we need the methods now. In this, what we will do is here, we will create the methods. Methods like here, app.get. That is the first method /admin. It should get all admin details, request response. It should get all admin related details. It is present in a separate table called admin. We have MongoDB. In MongoDB tutorial DB, we have admin related database table. So we are connecting and tutorial in that admin. Currently one user is present, that is enough. Raj admin. Only he can log in and he can edit the videos, everything related to videos. So what we will do here is first, so Mongo client dot connect with connection string. Then we will use an object. This object have to communicate with the database, where database is equal to obj.db. db database is tutorial db. Then database dot collection admin dot find will return all to array dot then collect all documents and response dot send all the documents. That's it. So then response dot end. Okay, that is a simple get request for accessing admin. Similarly, we want to access videos. So we will create another one. And this is videos. And it should get from which library? Videos. That's it. That is simple. We will use another one. This uses like this, videos / so actually videos / the video ID. So IDs are passed as parameters. Parameters are written like this, / question : and ID. What it is going to do is actually it is video ID. That's it. Video ID. That means it will, this is the parameter. When you pass any ID, it should get only that ID related details. But whatever you pass in URL is a string type. We have to convert that into number. So here we are creating an ID. We have to use parse int. How to access the parameter from URL? We have to use request dot parameters. Request dot parameter, which parameter ID? That means it will collect whatever value you pass and it will store in ID. Only that ID related product must come. That ID related video should come. Then what we will do here, what is the table name? Videos. Find what? Find query. Query is video ID. Video ID is matching with the ID you pass. That means you can see that. So video ID, observe here, the video related table have video ID. So the video ID should match with the ID you pass. So that is the video ID you have to use for query, right? It should get that particular video, right? So this is to return specific video. So how to pass the parameters? Parameters are passed with the slash colon parameter name. Now how we pass it actually is, whenever we are requesting, we will request http colon some address slash video slash 2 like that. It will get only second video. Already we have fake store now. Fake store products slash 1 means it will return only first product. Product slash 2, it will return second product. That means in fake store you have seen product slash 1, 2 like that. Same videos 2, it will return only the second. We can access specific video by using this. So get admin details, get video details, all videos and specific video. We can use these two. Next, we must able to add new video. We must able to add new video. How to add new video, right? To add new video, what we will do is here we will use add dot post. What is the method? Add video. We will have a request and response. How to insert into database I showed you, right? What we will do, same like register form. Yesterday we created register, same. So we have to use Mongo first. We have to collect the video details, where video is an object. What it contains? Video ID. That is a parse int. It is coming from request.body. Body, and we will have video ID. That is what we are collecting. And what is the second one? Title. Title. Title is coming from request.body.title. Okay. Next, description. Description. Description is coming from request.body.description. Next, URL. URL request.body.url. Then likes. So parse int request.body.likes. And we have dislikes. So we have parse int request.body.dislikes. Okay, views, and this is parse int request dot body dot views. Okay, next category id is also there. Category id is what? Category id is we have parse int. This is request dot body dot what? Category id. We have to use category id. You can see that is the category id we are having. But actually these categories are coming from categories table. There is another table called categories where we have a list of all categories. Category id is coming from there. That means now you need another request. What is that request? Slash what? Categories. It return all categories. It will return all the categories. Because whenever you are adding a new video, you have to select which category it belongs to. That is done by using this one, right? So how to get all the categories? Now here still not finished. We collected all the details. Now we need to insert into table. How to insert into table? So same Mongo client dot connect connection string and dot then. So we will use an object, and the object have so var database obj.db tutorial db and database dot collection is what? Videos. In that insert one. Which one to insert? Video that we have to insert. Dot then we will put a simple message. Message is console.log. So record inserted, video inserted. After that response dot redirect to slash videos. It will display the new video that you added. That is the concept here. So this is one. This is the API for adding a video. Now what we have to do, we need to get all categories also. Na? For that I will create another get. This get is going to get slash what? Categories. It will return what? Categories, and it will find all the categories and return. And here I don't need this ID and all. It is going to return all the categories and display. Right? So okay. Now we have categories and videos and admin. We have add video. One more, we need update video. So that means app dot put is used for modifying. Slash update video. So we have a request and a response. Here, which video to update? Which video you want to update? That video related ID we need to pass. Which video you want to update? So here we are expecting slash colon ID. We pass the ID. So var ID is parse int. So we have to get request dot parameters dot ID. We are collecting the ID. Because you learned MongoDB update command. MongoDB update command have find query, update query. Find query will find based on ID, and update query will update the details. So here we have to write now. So same Mongo client connect with connection string str connection string then we have to collect an object and var database obj db method tutorial db and database dot collection is what? Videos. In that we have to use update one command which record to update query. First query, second query, we need to know. First query is find query based on video id is matching with the id you pass. And here we need update query. We need to update means $set what to set, all details we have to mention. That means we don't know which one he will update, so we need to update all of them coming. So what we have to do, we have to use, so first one field is what? So title is coming from request dot body dot what title. Okay, next what? Description, it is coming from request dot body dot description. Next what? URL, it is coming from request dot body dot URL. Another one, likes is coming from request dot body dot likes. And dislikes, it is coming from request dot body dot dislikes. Another one, views, it is coming from request dot body dot views. Another one, category id, it is coming from request dot body dot category id. All these details must be updated. After that dot, then if it is successful, then we will put a message. Console.log will say record updated or video updated. Video updated. This is the message. After that, response.redirect, it should go to /what videos. This is update command, how we can update. This is done on which operation? We have to do it on put. Put means updating the details. That means modifying the details, right? That's what we need to do. What is the next one? One more option is there. App dot what? Delete. Delete video. Add video, update video, delete video. Delete video, which one? /:id. We have a request and a response. Now we need to delete the video which belongs to that particular id. Then so var id is parseInt request.parameters.id and mongo client.connect with connection string and then obj implies, right? Var database is equal to obj.db. What is the db? Tutorial db. So after that, database dot collection name is what? Collection name is videos dot delete one. Delete users find query is what? Video id is matching with id. Dot then we have success. On success, so we have console.log. So video deleted. And after that, we will use here response.redirect. Redirect to /videos. Like this we need to define. This is the query for delete. All CRUD operations ready. Now what we need to do? So we need to app.listen on port number 5000, suppose. And console.log, what is it? So console.log server started 127.0. It will be like HTTP colon 127.0.0.1:5000. This is the complete API ready. So we have to test all these API methods are working correctly or not. Right? By using Postman, we need to test them. So update, delete, everything you can test, right? So here I will open. Here I'll say node videos API.js. It started. First, I will test 1-2 details. So let's go here. I will use localhost 5000 and slash. We have like first categories. Categories will return all the categories. That is working fine. We will access admin. It will return admin. We will access another one. What is it? What else we have? Videos. It will get all the videos. I will use video/2. Then it should get only second video. That is also working fine. That means we are able to filter that particular one, right? But you know that post, put, delete, you cannot test here. For that, we have to test from Postman. From Postman, we can test that, right? But we will directly create an UI. From that UI, we will test. That means from the UI, we will design interface and get all that information. Let's create now. API is working and make sure that you are not stopping it. Now let's create the front end for this API. We will create a front end for this. Let's do. We will create a separate folder. I will maintain a separate folder. Video library. That is the folder. In the video library folder, we need first page. So admin login page .html. That means we will start with admin login page HTML. Okay. This is admin login page. Okay. I will keep here a heading. This is admin login. Okay. After that, after admin login, he will get videos.html. He will get videos.html. So videos. Here we will show the list of all videos. In that, we will provide options for editing, deleting and all. So user can watch every video individually. In that case, what we will do is, I will create another page, video details.html. This page is video details. Video details means we can watch separately every video. Okay, next we will add one more. Add video.html. This is a heading. We will add new video. We will maintain a separate page. And edit video HTML. Here we will maintain a separate page. Here edit video. We will open that. Delete video, you can create a separate page or you can directly delete from that page itself. Which page? In which page you are showing all the details, from that page we can manage. Okay. So we have add video, edit video, video details, another one videos. And all these will come after admin login. Admin login, we have to access that. Let's see now. First, write the logic for admin login. On admin login, what should happen? We have to collect the data and display. So, admin login, what we will do is we will put a script and script source. Yeah. Node modules, jQuery, dist, jQuery.js, and a script $function. And admin login contains a simple data list, data term. So admin user ID. So input type is equal to text. And we will put so ID as user ID and password. So we will put password. So input type is equal to text, password, ID as password. We are defining. Then we will put a button login like this. On login button, ID is btn login. On login button click, I have to verify user ID password present in database. Then what we have to do here, first we have to write hash btn login dot what click. On click, we will use a callback function. It should get the user ID and password, and we should verify from the location. So yesterday we already created a login screen. Same approach here. What we have to do first, we have to use $.ajax. What is the Ajax method? Ajax method is get. So what is the Ajax URL? URL is http://127.0.0.1. It is 5000/what admin. And success, we will get all admin users, admins. It is going to collect all the admin users. Now we have to verify, we have to read every admin. If you have to read every admin, then we have to use a simple option. We can use for, or we can use map like concept. So for var admin of admins, we are reading every admin. If admin dot user ID is matching with $hash user ID dot val, that means the value you entered in text box. And another condition, what is it? Admin dot password is matching with $hash, what is it? Password dot val. That means if user ID and password are matching, so what you entered in these text boxes, is it matching with the admin? Because you see in admin table, admin have user ID and admin have password. If it is matching, then what should happen? It should go to location.href. It should go to videos.html. Right after that, we will put a break. Otherwise, else it should display some message. That means here we will put some paragraph below. In the paragraph, we want to display. That means otherwise, here we will add $paragraph.html. So invalid credentials. Like this, we have to define. We will put CSS. So color as some red. So like this, we are defining a value. So let's see whether it is working or not. Let's run this. I'm entering here admin details. So this is admin user. Admin user ID is Raj underscore admin and some wrong password, login, invalid credentials. Because what is his user ID? Raj admin. Raj at the net admin is password. So I am using here Raj at the net admin. That is the correct password we are giving. And login, it should get me to videos. So admin login is correctly working. Here, I want to display all videos in a tabular form. I want to display all videos in a table form, right? Then what we will do is here, let's go to the videos. Bootstrap and everything, CSS you add, designs and all you add. Let's go to videos. Here, I need to display the list of all videos. We have to design the list of all videos. You know the process here. I will show the videos in a tabular form. We'll put a table. Table, some width is equal to some 100%. Table border is 1. And for table, we are giving, that's enough. We are giving T head, TR. So TH. In that, what you want to display about video title. And another one is preview of that video. And we will display another, not all details, only these two are enough. Actions we will give. In actions, what we will have? Details, edit, delete, like that actions we will have. Okay, T body. In the table body, we need to generate. We need to load all the videos and define. So we are writing a script and script source node modules, jQuery, dist, jQuery.js, and we have a script. So we have a dollar function. Okay, now we need to get all the videos and display in table. So for that, we will use a function called load videos. This function will be called here, load videos. Okay. And what load videos will do? It should load all the videos. $.ajax method. Method is get and URL. URL is http 127.001 colon which one? 5000 / what videos. It should get all the videos. After that, success, we will get here the data. That means all the videos, and we need to display the videos. We need to display the videos in a table. Then what we have to do? So we need to use for, so where videos, video of what videos. We are reading every video, and for every video, we will create here. For every video, we will create a table row. In that row, what should be displayed? In the row first cell, it should display title. That means we need to access video dot what? Title. What is the second cell? In the second cell, we want to display the preview of that video. Preview that of video means iframe. We have to use iframe. And iframe will have some width. That is some 100 I am giving. Some width 200 and height height is 100, 150, something like this. What is the iframe source? SRC will come from video dot what URL. Video URL will come. That is. Okay, what is another cell? Third cell. In the third cell, we want to display some buttons, right? So we will put one button. So this button contains details button. Another button, this contains edit button. So another button, it contains delete. Delete button. We need to create like this. And this should append to. We have to dot append to. Append to home T body. That should append to table body. So we are loading all the videos here. That means all the videos must come and display here. That is the videos related library. So the UI depending on your design, right? How you want to display that. Now what should happen is user can watch the preview of the video. There is some problem, video code or something. I already told you now some videos permissions will be there, we can't embed. Some video is playing here, that video comes here, it will play that video here. Okay, now what should happen is, so here when here one more we will do. What is it? Just for clarity and define sake, link relation is style sheet. So href node modules bootstrap. So bootstrap is not there. Huh? Why? I think it is overwritten. Sometimes I will install npm install bootstrap and save. I will install bootstrap icons and save. Okay, now here we have node modules, bootstrap, dist, CSS, bootstrap.css. One more link relation is a style sheet, href, node modules, bootstrap icons, font icons.css. And in this page, I will add a class container fluid. And here we will put not required all this. Just we can put a class called table and table hover. Okay. And you can see this is the table created, right? And for this, what we will do, the buttons created will have class. So btn, some info, something. Here we are having another class. btn, suppose warn. So, and another class is btn danger. Warning. Okay. And these are the buttons we are having. Details, edit, delete, like buttons we are having. Usually here we have a span. And here we have a class bi. So I fill. That is the class we are having. Now, similarly here, we have another one is bi pen fill. Here we are having another one is trash fill, and those icons will be like this. Instead of giving the text, we are giving those icons. Okay. Now what we will do is we will keep the video width 100, height also 100. They will be fine. Simple one. Width we can give. They will be okay. That's fine. Okay. Now I want one more button above the table. Above the table, where is this table? Yeah. Here we will keep a button. So span. So class BI create is there? Not there. It is there new, not there. So file new is there. No, that means something created to get bootstrap icons. Let's search icons. Create related any icon is there? No. New related icon is there? These are new icons. Okay, so file related any icon is there? Okay, so I will add any file plus that will be file plus document. Okay, let's say file text. File plus is there. File plus file play fill. File play fill. This is like we will say new add new. Okay, that means it will display in this way. It will display like that. Add new is like add new video, like okay. Now I will put here the class btn and btn success something. Okay, now we need to make them work. So what should happen when user clicks on add new? Then it should show a new form. In that form, we should fill up the details and they must be inserted into video. Right? Now let's write the logic for this. That means this is ID. So add new button. Okay. We will access that and write the logic here. What should happen? $# add new button. On this button click, what should happen? So on this button click, location.href, it should go to add video.html. It should go to that page. That means when user clicks on that, it should go to add new video. Here we must able to fill up the new video details and submit. Then it should insert and take us to the videos list where it is displaying. That means from which page we are coming? Videos. Now add video. In this add video, we need to add a new video details. So go to add video. Here, what are the new video details? Data term. So here video ID. Data definition. This is text input type is equal to number. Okay, what is the name? Name is video ID. ID I will give. So ID is video ID. Okay, next what? Another is title. Title, I will keep input type is equal to text. ID is equal to title. Another one, description. Description is input type is equal to text. ID is description. Okay, we need a URL na? URL, data definition, input type is text. ID is what? URL. And next we need to add. So this is likes. Data definition, input type is equal to number. And ID is equal to likes. Similarly, we need another one, dislikes. And we have dislikes. Okay. And we have one more, that is what? Views. And we have views. Like this we are using. Now what happens is we are creating a button. That is what? Add video. That is the button. So that means here we will write ID as add video. Right? That is add video. Or we will say BTN add. That's it. Okay. Now we have to write a logic for collecting data from this and inserting into the database. So what we need to do, we need a script. So node modules, jQuery dist jQuery.js. And we need a script $function. And here we have to collect video details. It's an object. It contains video ID. Video ID is what? It is coming from hash video ID dot val. That is coming from there. Similarly, other details. That means I will copy other details. What is the second one? Second one is title. This one is what? Description. This one is what? This one is URL. Another one is, so this is likes. So another one is dislikes. Dislikes. Another one is views. I think one more is there. Category na? Yeah. So we have category ID. So actually this comes from title. This comes from description. This comes from URL. This comes from likes. This comes from dislikes. And this comes from views. Okay. And the category ID here, we need a category. So select category. I will put this somewhere above. After the URL, here I will put data term category. And data definition, here we will put a drop down. This drop down should display the list of categories present in categories table. That means we need to get the categories table and display that. That's important, right? Now how? How do we display that? That means the categories related information should come here. So what we will do is, so category ID, it will come from this one. ID is what? Category ID, right? That means we will access $# category ID dot val. Remember, it is saying category IDs. It will send category ID, but it will not show category ID. It will show category name, but it will send category ID. Because we know that what it shows is different, what it submits is different. The two things we need, right? So then what we will do is how to get the categories. To get the categories, this is video details. To get the categories, I am giving function called load categories. How to load categories? $.ajax method is it, and URL is http://127.001:5000/what categories, and on success we collect all the categories. We have to retrieve all the categories, and these categories we want to display. Categories dot map, we are reading every category, and add category as we are reading every category, and category must be added as an option. That means we have to create option, and important, this option value here, the option text will be category dot category name, but the option value will be what is the value? Category dot category ID. That means it will show the value name and it will submit the value. And here we can apply like to uppercase like this. We are defining string or some, or you can just leave as it is, whatever the category is there. Okay, just as it is. Now where to append this? Dot append to what? Hash category ID. Category ID is nothing but the drop down. We need to add into the drop down. This is loading all categories. So we need to call this. On function load categories. It will load the categories. You will see now. So when I run this, it should load all the categories here. HTML, CSS, JavaScript, which category it belongs to, it should get. Right, it is accessing the categories. Okay, now we will put the video ID and insert add video. Then this must be inserted into database. Then we have to use what? Dollar dot. This should be done on button click. On button click, we have to collect all the data and we need to update the data. So what is the button? btn add. So we have to write a function. What is that? $hash btn add click. On add click, this all work should be done. That means we will collect the video details. We will collect all the video details. After collecting, what we have to do? We need to use $.ajax. What is the method? So method is what? Post. We have to submit the post. And what is the URL? URL is HTTP. So 127.001:5000/add video. This is where we have to post. That is the API method. Na? What is the API method? Like check. API method is add video. Here we have to post. Okay. Okay. What data to post? Data. Data is the video data we created. This video contains details coming from text boxes. So this data need to be posted. Okay. Now we have to just put an alert. alert saying that video added successfully. And it should navigate location dot href. It should navigate to which page? Videos dot html, so that we can see new video added or not. It should navigate to that page. Let's select here now. So we will go to this and see. Means actually we need to come from a hierarchy. I will come from that hierarchy here. What is the hierarchy is? First, admin login. So admin will first log in with user ID. User ID is what? So some Raj underscore admin. So Raj @admin, that is the login. And it will get the videos. And we click on add new video. When you say add new video, this form will come. In this, we will enter video ID 3. We enter title. Let's get some video. So from YouTube, we will collect one video. Suppose these are all different videos. So some categories are not there. Okay, some video I will select. All are Java only. Fine. So we will select one some Java. This is all same titles it is having. Any HTML videos are there? Fine. So we will first put here some video. Let's say Azure Data Science insert. Okay, let's take this one. Collections. Okay. So actually this is a playlist. We need the information about every video separately. It is a playlist actually, because playlist you cannot embed. Playlist you cannot embed them. You can embed individual video. I will take one independent video one by one, like okay, this is enough. This is independent videos are there, right? Okay. And I will copy this video URL. Okay. Now let's paste that here. What are that videos here we are having? This is that URL. And paste that URL first here. This is one video. Okay. Now what we will do is actually that video is related to oops, right? That is some session 2. Okay. Let's go to our page. And here we will say Java oop. That is the option. And URL is this URL. We need to convert this watch v colon to what? Embed. Okay. This belongs to which category? Java. Description. So description, suppose core Java OOP in Hindi. Like this I define. And the likes, suppose I given some 43, dislikes, some given as 0, some views, some 320, 3210, something. And we click on add video. Add video, video added successfully. Okay, now that is present here. That means that is added into our list. It is present in the list. It should be updated in the database also. That means you see in the database videos, you can see 2 videos, 3 videos are there now. That means now the third video is added. This is the video related page. That means all that information is defined here. Now we need to, that means this is implemented. That is implemented. Observe carefully the category also 4. But in the UI we selected Java. But what it submitted is not Java. It submitted is category ID 4. Okay. Now we need to write the logic for these buttons. That means when I click this button, I should able to see the detail of that video. Able to see the detail of that video. That means we need to create a video details page. There we have to collect this video related information and show. How? So we need to access that video related information and display. Similarly, I must able to edit the video. I must able to delete the video, right? The first one, on that click, I should able to get the detail of that video and display that. This is important. That means now the question is, when user clicks, which video he clicked, that ID should come. ID should come. So what we will do is, in our design, yeah, let's go to, there is a video details page. There we want to show, and you see, these are the buttons. This is details button, this is edit button and delete. For these buttons, we will give an ID. ID for this is BTN details. Okay. This is an ID. ID as BTN edit. This is an ID. What is it? BTN delete. Now, how we know which video edit, which video details he clicked? What we can do is, here we can create here some value, button value. Button value, we will keep the button value, the ID. The video related ID will be the button value. That means here we will put video dot what? Video ID. So the value will be the video ID. On edit, on delete, everyone should pass the video ID. That means now what we can do on this button click, we can collect that video ID and we can display that video ID. How we can do that? Let's see. Now what we need to do, we need to get the details. Your wish, where you want to display the details, you can write. Now one more problem which I told you in shopping site. If any button is dynamically created, we cannot write event for it directly. That means, suppose I am writing here, what is it? BTN details na? Here we are writing a function. What is the function? $# BTN details. BTN details dot what? Click. On click, what we have to do? I will put an alert. We can access the event argument. Na? Event argument. So here I am asking e dot target dot suppose value. Value means the value of the button. That means you see now, when I click on that button, when I refresh and try to click on that button, when I click on this button, you can see it's not working. Because already we learned this point. Then how to write event for a button which is present inside a table? For that, we should not use this mechanism. What we should do? We have to use document.on method. I told you that. I asked you to try shopping example. If you have tried that example, that is the same concept. Document dot on. What is the event? Event is what? Click. And for which button? Hash btn details. And it uses a callback. This will get an event argument, right? Now what we can do, alert e dot target dot what? Value. That means now you can see that when I click this button, it should get that ID. And I click the second button, then it is showing undefined. This is unfortunately, it is unable to get that IDs. Why? Because actually when you are accessing directly, that is okay. But when you are accessing an element's value which is present inside another element, then you should use not target, you should use current target. Current target dot what value? Current target value. And you see now, first one, it will get 1. For second one, it will get 2. And for third one, it will get 3. It is able to access the details and display them. Now, what should happen is when user clicks, that ID is coming now. What we need to do? We need to get that particular video details and show on the screen. That you decide where you want to display. You can display in a pop-up, right? You learned models now, bootstrap models, or you can display in a new screen. But now the point is how to display in a new screen. We want to display in a new screen. So how to display in a new screen? That means when I click on this, I will share this in columns. I will keep in columns. Let's do that. Means I will show there itself, right? We will do one thing. We will create a simple div with a class as row. And here we are having another one. What is it? So div, this class as call. This is call, suppose 3 or 4 I will give. And another div, this class as call 8. Like this I am giving. And in this left column, I will keep the videos list. The videos list I will keep in the left column. Okay. And that's fine. Every video width, I will keep it short now. Okay. Now you can see that the videos will come like this. That is the videos we are having. These are the videos we are having. That's the original. Height also, I will keep it simple as some 60 or something. That is enough. Simple videos are there. That is just preview we are having. Now, when I click on details, that video detail should come here. Right side, that complete video detail should come. How? So what we have to do here, we need to display the detail of that particular video on that click. That means now what we do on this click, we are able to access the ID now. We have to pull that specific ID related video and add into this container. Understood? Into that container. That means suppose this we will give as main container. Okay, in the main container, it should add. Let's try. So how do we do that? So we need to get that ID. So we will put var ID is equal to, that is a parse int e dot current target dot what value. The ID is 0 or 1 or 2 or whatever ID is. Okay, what we have to do by using $.asx. Asx, what is the method? Method is get. How to get specific video? We have to get specific video, HTTP http://127.0.0.1colon/video/id. ID is coming from the ID. Whatever ID we collected from that particular button. Now, what we have to do, success, we have to collect the video. This is only, actually, it is returning array because we use two array. Na? That means even one is coming like a array. That means that one video is present at index number 0. Index number 0. So what we will do is, we will just create interface. Interface like you can create like card or something you can define. What I will do is, let's say dollar, we need to iterate. Na? That means we need to create iteration. Videos dot what map, read every video. Only one video it is coming, right? We need to collect that video. So what we need to do, that video related information should be displayed in a card like. So dollar. So we will use a div. Close this div. It is like a card like. So that means we will put a class as card. Padding 2. Okay, that's enough. And it will have a div. And this will be having class as a card title. Card header. Okay. In card header, what you want to show? I want to display the video title. Just I will keep a heading. How we can get the video title? Video dot what title and heading 4. And below this another div. And this should be class as card body. And in the card body, we want to display the video. That means we will use iframe. Iframe, na? Right? This iframe, and iframe will have width is 100% and height as some 400. And iframe will have src. Src is coming from where? Video. Video dot what? Video dot URL. That's what we need to give. Right? And if we want description, so then below that we have a div. And this will have a class. So card footer. And here we can add something else. Below this video, we will put a paragraph. And here we will use video dot description. Description. Okay. We will put in the paragraph. In the card footer, you can put like likes, views, whatever you want to display. That means here we will use video dot likes. Likes. And here we will put the word likes. Right. And we will use here. So here video dot views. And here we will put views like this. Whatever you want to display. Now this should be appended to append to home, append to main. Into the main we need to add. This is the logic we need to implement. Now I click on core Java, this one, and it should get that and display here. I click on the Spring Boot. It should get that Spring Boot and display here. That means refresh. Yeah. Spring Boot. It should get that and display here. I selected this Java OOP. It is adding below. Right. So it should not add below. So it should replace it. Right. How you will do that? Already we know na, clear the main existing already. If it is having something, whenever you are going to add on this button click, what we have to do is first we need to access main. dot html, we have to keep it empty, right? So that means you click on this one, it is going to get that and display. You click on this one, it is going to get that and display. That means you can select the video and it will display that video. The video related details are coming here. We must able to handle that. That's a simple approach how we can create that option. So we are having view and we are having details and we are having insert. That means we can add, you want to add a new record, then again click on new. Right? When I click on new, again video ID. So video ID is 4. Video title is some title. Suppose I searched here HTML tutorial, something like this. Right? And some HTML tutorial is there. Some HTML tutorial. So some select that HTML tutorial. And this is watch, copy that URL here. And we will copy that HTML full course, something like this. URL is this one. We need to change this to what? Embed slash. Okay, this belongs to which category? HTML only, right? Description. So this is HTML, HTML 2 hours. So complete tutorial, something like this. So likes or dislikes something, views like this we added, and add video. Video added successfully. The next one is there here. And I want to see the detail. Then I click on this. It will show the detail of that video. So we have the videos and we are displaying those videos. Right now details is working fine. Now I must able to edit and delete. That means when I click on delete, that video should be deleted. Delete is easy. It's a simple approach. Delete is easy. Why? Because we can easily delete the videos. How? So for example, let's go. What is the delete button ID? Delete button ID is btn deleter, right? So we will write a function here. What is the function? Document dot on. What is it? Click. For which one? btn delete. What to do? btn delete. We have an event argument and we need to collect the ID. ID is what? Parse int coming from e dot current target dot value. It is coming. Now what we need to do? Remove that particular ID related product. Then how do we do that? So we have to use $.ajax. Ajax method. This time method is delete. We are not fetching, na? We are deleting that one. Okay. Now what is the URL? What is the delete URL? Delete URL http://127.001:5000/ what is it? So this is a delete video. That is the delete video only, na? Delete method, what we written? Delete video, right? So we are writing that one here. So let's go. Yeah. Here delete video / ID. Which ID? Whatever the ID you pass. That ID related one, it will delete. That's it. Just what we have to do. We will put an alert. Alert is nothing but video deleted successfully. You can do one thing. You can put a confirm and you can ask, are you sure you want to delete? Yes, no. If it is yes, then delete. Otherwise, no. You can put a confirm also, right? So video deleted successfully. After that, we will use location dot reload, means it will refresh the page. Location dot reload will refresh the page and it will show whether that video is deleted or not. Okay, let's try this and see now. This is delete option. So now let's go to the page and refresh. Okay, I want to delete this Spring Boot. Then I click on delete. Video deleted successfully. Okay, it is removed. It is removed. In the database, you see Spring Boot is there because we are not refreshing. Once refresh, that Spring Boot is gone. Only these videos are present. That means the record is deleted permanently. That's how we can manage. So one more option is left. What is it? Edit. That means when we click on edit, it should open the details in a text boxes. That means edit title, edit video URL, edit description, edit views. And when you click on save, it should update into that particular table. That we will see tomorrow, right? If you can do that, then this complete end-to-end example is finished. So we have done all CRUD operations: reading, inserting, updating, and deleting. Updating, we will see tomorrow. With that, we will finish all the CRUD introduction, how it works. Okay, na? Tomorrow we'll see, right? After tomorrow, I explain this, I will upload this example. I am not uploading this example because still it is pending. So after I finish tomorrow I will upload whatever I showed you today. Okay, right.
Hello. Hello.
Hello. Hello. Hello. Hello. Hello. Hello. Hello. हेलो 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 साहेब साहेब
It's Sudhakar Sharma, sir. Hello, sir. Hello. 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 Hello.